If Roblox keeps disconnecting or kicking you out on Android, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox disconnection issues. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure that your internet connection is stable. The most common cause is an unstable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. After that, reopen Roblox and try again. Solution 1. Check the Roblox server. Open your browser or Chrome app. Search for downdetector.com. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and search. Now check status graph. On the Roblox page, view the graph showing report spikes over the past 24 hours. A red line or high report volume means widespread issues, and below 50% baseline is usually fine. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. A corrupted cache can interrupt gameplay. Open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap Apps or App Management. Then search for Roblox and tap it. Scroll down and select Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data. After that, check if the issue is solved. Solution 3. Turn off battery saver and background limits. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Battery. Now turn off battery saving or power saving. Then open App Battery Management. Set Roblox to No Restrictions or Allow Background Activity. That's it for today. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if the issue continues. Thanks for watching. See you next time.